Hey, welcome back. Here's an update in the shop I'm building in Argentina, which is a mess right now, but or a quilombo as they say in Spanish. These are the boxes from some of the machines, but here's what I'm working with. This is my shop. It's gonna have a little kitchenette there. Has a parrilla. I just acquired this guy here. It's a 3 horsepower. It runs on a 12-inch blade. And this is my miter station, which is in a scaffold system. I actually like this because I can wheel it outside, make a mess, and then I use a blower to clean it up. So I got my bench here, and I got a bandsaw and a jointer. Jointer's 2 horsepower. This one has a 3 horsepower motor. And I'm starting to build my corner here to put my lathe, 45 degrees here. And yeah, everything is still in boxes. I have to make a work table for here. That's gonna be behind the table saw. And yeah, that's what I got so far. Tools everywhere. And it rained for like 2 days straight, so I got some wood outside, including this stuff. It's kind of humid right now, so there's not much I can do today, but I thought I'd share with you what's going on in Argentina. I hope all is well with you, and I'll do a full tour when I have this all set up the way I want it, I guess. So thanks for being here. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.